problem-based calculus. You're going to be presented with some real-life problems, and after thinking about those, we will surround those with the concepts. We're going to be learning the concepts that will apply to then solving those. Our goals for the course are to demonstrate how calculus is used in the world around you, to help you become better critical thinkers and problem solvers, and along the way to teach you the concepts and mechanics of Calculus 1. The way we're going to do that is you are first going to be presented with a problem. There will be a short scenario. They're always 1 minute or less to present a problem situation. And then you need to think about some ideas of how you might go about solving that problem. Now, when the problems are presented, they on purpose are presented vaguely. There is not enough information to solve the problem. It's just giving you a scenario to think about. So you should brainstorm a little bit and think about what you already know that might apply to the problem, some things you would need to know, and you're going to submit those in a discussion posting. Now, you are not to go out and research. You don't Google this problem and try and find some things or look it up somewhere or whatever. That's not the idea. This shouldn't be a really long, lengthy thing. It should involve no research, just pulling whatever's in your head and some ideas together. You'll be asked 2 or 3 questions that you will post on, and you should respond to those questions. You will be graded not on if your response is the correct way you are going to go about solving this, but on if you have made thoughtful, logical comments and ideas about how you might solve this. You may be completely on the wrong track, but you had some great ideas and you would receive full points. So it's not, did you get exactly what to do, because you don't have the knowledge yet to solve that, and that's not the idea. It is to think about, well, if I wanted to solve this, if you were out on a job given a problem, you don't always have everything handed right to you. Just said, we need you to do this, and you have to say, well, I know this, I need to get data about this, I would need to find out how to do that type of thing, and then I could solve it. And so that's the idea behind these problems, is to give it some thought into what kinds of things do I know and what kinds of things would I need to know so I could solve this. After you have responded with that, then you will actually go through the content sections and receive the knowledge that you need to solve the problem, and then at the end of the module you will return to the problem, decide which content you have learned that would apply to the problem, and then you would solve the problem. So these problems are all located at our course site in Canvas, and you can log into Canvas from the Community College homepage, but it's nice to know that slcc.instructure.com will take you straight to the login screen. That way, if the college page was down for some reason, you could still get right there and work on your problems, or you could just save one step and go straight here. So let's go ahead and log in, and you will see when I log in, everything is structured around these problems. And so here across the top we have orientation, course information, algebra and trig review. We'll talk about those in a minute. But basically you see that the course is structured around these 15 problems, and we will in another video go through what it takes to complete a problem module.